Alright.
Oh, God.
He come and come with
No water.
Ngayon, some Korean people take it and that's your main food.
Hi guys, it's a new day, so it's a new vlog. Today, early in the morning, it's about 9:38 now. I am on my way to basically like do some business, you could kind of say. School is starting back soon, so I have to prepare for that. So I'm going out today to get registered for school, pay school fee, all of them stuff there, and pick up packages from shipping company, because since the holiday period a bunch of the packages were withheld, so we were not able to get them. So now them put all of them up, and we are going to, well, me and Dada today are going to pick them up. And then what else I have to do after that? I don't really know what else. Maybe some other little something else. But those are the main things: to go to school, to get the packages. I don't want to wait too long to get the packages, you know, and them take forever for find them. So I'm gonna pick them up today, and then I want to get registration out of the way before the school period starts, and I kind of want to, you know, to start focus and plan out my days them for how I'm going to manage school, manage time, and all of that type of stuff. So that's what I'm going to do today. So taking you guys along with me, and also when I go back home, I have a couple things to do, because we never really plan to stay on the road too long. I have a couple things to do when I go back home. I do have some laundry from over the holiday that wasn't able to be done, so I'm gonna do it when I go back home. I started yesterday, but we did start late, so because we start late, we did only get one load out, and the day was just gloomy. It never really hot, so it never did really work out like that. So it's more sunny, bright today, so I'm gonna get those done. Alright, so when I guess when I reach the school or so, no, when I reach the shipping company, that's when I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, update, it's now 11:20. I have gone from the shipping company, paid, went to school, paid school fee and such forth and whatnot to get registered, and I went to get something to eat at Starbucks, the one at AC Hotel out there. It's just generally the best one. It never does me wrong. Anyways, so we are now going another place to just drop a little quick errand, and then we're going home after that. Yeah, we're supposed to go home after that. You see where it go? More to the front side, you know, that I drive the same. But guys, there's this really nice car in front of us. It's like a little like olive green. You can't tell, see, I know what here it come from. It's very much imported, but it's a very nice car. I was trying to see the front of it, but it's so nice. So I'm gonna go and look it up. It's such a nice car. It's just wide, it's sit down on the road, it have like a height underneath it. It's such a nice car. Normally when I go on the roads, I'm not really looking at cars that much like that, but that car, it's something to look at. It was something to look at. It's a very nice car, very sleek, very nice. Anyways, so we're gonna run our other little errand, and then we're gonna go home. There's not much people on the road today, and I don't mind it. The places are almost empty, well, except for the shipping company, but the places are almost empty. Nobody not really live on the road, nobody not going out, and more than anything, I appreciate it, and I'm able to get my stuff done in ample amounts of time to go back home, because I write this and I want to go back. I've been home, I'm back home. I've been home for some time now, and I think after 3, but I'm gonna put my little clothes them in the washer. I can't wash them this evening, even though sun is out. I don't trust the sun here, so I'm just gonna put them in the washer this evening, and then early tomorrow morning I will wash them. These, make sure they're clean. These are my clothes from how long? The whole holiday period I was not able to get any laundry done really, so because I was helping, you know, with cooking and then on the road and all of that stuff. So I was just not able to do it. But now that I have the time, I'm just starting to do it. And I'm also trying to get myself organized and my space organized, because I have school coming up soon. As I said, went out to get registered today. Finally, I'm registered. Their system was down when I had went, but I was still able to get through and pay. So I came home and I checked, because I knew even though it might be down for some time, them probably soon put it up, but them not make it stay for long. So came home, I checked, and it's back up to normal now. So I am fully registered for my next semester of school. And even though I'm in university, and yes, I may have a little bit of extra free time on my hands, because I am able to, you know, structure my timetable to fit my timing, I still make sure, say, every single class I make it my point of duty to go as best as I can. Sometimes it's 1 or 2, but I like that. It don't affect you as long as you know the material and all of that stuff. Make it my point of duty, not failing a thing. Tuition is so expensive out here in Jamaica, and I really am not putting that on my parents to fail any semester. I try my best not to. I'm not saying, you know, if something happens and, you know, God forbid it, I'm not able to pass a course, I'm not saying that it's my fault, or, you know, yada yada yada, I'm going to completely break down as a person. Yes, I'll be disappointed, but at the end of the day, I will try again. But as of right now, I'm doing okay so far, and that's all that's important. I do my best. That is what I do. Oh, when are this? Oh. People, see how much clothes I have to put in here? But it now washed today. I'm putting it in here, so tomorrow morning early I'll wash them. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna do some editing. I'm gonna change off road clothes and whatnot, and then I'm going to do some editing, because I have to edit our, what was it again, our thing there, our New Year's dinner vlog. We vlogged it. By the time you're seeing this, it's already up. So that's what I'm going to edit now, so you guys can watch it. And then after that, when I cook this evening, we have a little, you know, issue at the moment, so we can't really do much in the kitchen right now. So I'm not really cook nothing this evening. Maybe hot up for something, but no cooking natural shall be happening. After that, I'm probably just gonna go to bed and that's it. Like I've been on the road most of the day, and no evening time, maybe then I do much more than edit and then go on bed, or try to set out my timetable coming up, what is what. So yeah, that's it guys. So I'm gonna edit now, and then you guys will see me back after I edit. Okay guys, so it's a little bit later in the evening. I'm there to fry some dumpling, as my mother would say. They make kind of look like some mucklis dumpling. I couldn't bother because our kitchen is kind of in a little bit of a deplorable state right now, and I didn't have the space to, you know, make them properly and so forth and such. So I just put two together, rig them up just so I can get something easy and quick to eat. We also have this pack of mom something, there's some ham right there. See it here. Yeah, so she cut up the ham in strips and stuff like that, and I took out a pack because I'm going to cook up some of it to have with the fried dumplings. So that is what I'm here doing at this moment for dinner. I already finished editing and stuff, and I folded up the clothes that I had on my bed, so those are all packed away. So I'm just making dinner now.